Under the Bogafa Forest Range in Santirbazar subdivision, illegal syndicates are openly cutting soil and clearing trees on Forest Department land near the range office in Kolsi, Dagaichhara to sell it commercially in broad daylight. Heavy soil-laden trucks have severely damaged the vital commuter road connecting the local police station area. Residents expressed deep concern that the compromised road will become completely impassable during the oncoming monsoon season. The Bogafa Forest Department faces heavy criticism for failing to protect its land, constructed on forest-owned property without any administrative eviction tribes. Reporter by Bikram from Santirbazar, Chini Khorang.